Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to create a disclaimer, in the Exchange Online. Uh, I have already logged into the computer as the user. Bob Winter. If I show you this, I send that when just no disclaimer, for the message. When I send the email to internet users, I put my signature here, and this is what the message shows. So if I go to the user mailbox, this is the email I received from Bob Winter. You see this, this the subject and then the message body, but this is only the Bob Winter's signature here. So I want to know how to create a disclaimer. Disclaimer is like legal advice, for what the company is doing something. So if I go to the exchange admin center, I want to create a disclaimer. I go to the mail flow rules, and then I want to add a rule, and then I select apply disclaimers. So I put the default. So I want to apply disclaimer for messages sent to internet users. So for the apply this rule, I select if the recipient is select one, I select the external or external internal. I want to see. Let me see if I see. I put it is external internal, and then select location outside the organization. So I put save. So I just want to apply the disclaimer to the message. Append a disclaimer. I put the test, disclaimer. So I can save. And then there's a select one if the disclaimer can't be inserted. So I click select one. The red one means if the disclaimer can't apply, it just add the message as attachment and send it to the recipient. And also we can select the ignore. Ignore means if the disclaimer can't apply, it just ignore the disclaimer and send the original message over. Reject means just reject the message. We just use the default one. Yep. And then click save. And then we go to next. We don't have an exception. If we want to accept some sender or recipient, we can select here. So just click next. So this one enforce, and then yeah, that's all. Just select no reply. Just click next. Finish. So if we click down, we see this one disclaimer status disabled. We want to enable it. So just select enable. Refresh. So the status is enabled now. This means we create a disclaimer and we enable this rule now. So let's say if we send an email again to the to the user, external user. So just do this again. We want to reply all. So send it to this user and then put this one. Still do the same. So I just delete this others. So I put this one. I put the time and so I put the title is the subject and then the time and data. So I just date and then I just click send again. So if you see the email is sent out, so if I go to send items, so this one still shows the from this Bob Winter we see this one is subject, subbody and user signature. So if I go to the recipient side, I go to here. So you see the disclaimer is now showing now. It's showing up in the end of the message. So this means the disclaimer is working now. Yeah, thank you for watching the